Good morning, friends. Running Kimono here. We have a sweet deal that just got a lot sweeter. These Selena Gomez cookies are on clearance. The best way to figure this out is to go to your store, see what they have. You can't order this curbside. You actually have to go in store. So currently they're on clearance for $3.29. I'm in Michigan. Usually Michigan and Texas are the same. However, Michigan and the East Coast might be a little bit different, or it might be on the same clearance schedule. However, if you see this bag in the store, bring it up to the front and ask for a price check. It's $3.29 here. We have $1 off 2 Oreo Nabisco store coupon that is attaching. But this deal does get a little bit sweeter. This morning, which is the 25th of September, IBOTTA released this, which is a $2 back up to 3 bags. So it's going to make these like really, really cheap, like 79 cents per bag. So definitely worth being on the lookout for this. If you happen to find 6 bags, do it in 2 transactions in case the IBOTTA rebate resets. And if you have not signed up for IBOTTA, check out the link in the description. Sign up with my team. I think you get an additional $5 when you submit your first qualifying receipt, which is fantastic. Grabbing 2 bags of the Selena Oreo cookies, it's $6.58. Subtracting that store coupon, you're going to pay $5.58. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $4 back, making it $1.58 for 2 bags or 79 cents per bag, which is a great price point. I know that specifically a lot of snacks and snacks with chocolate, it's gone through the roof right now. It's very, very expensive. So if you wanted to even store these, I know a lot of you do like baking for Christmas, or if you want these for lunches for your kids, whatever. I would definitely try and track down this deal if this is something that your household likes. And I know a lot of you really enjoy Oreo cookies. I'm going to say that I just was looking at the comps of just like how much would 1 bag of Oreos cost at the store. It's looking upwards of $6.99 per bag. Currently, there is a promotion 2 for $10 for Oreos, but this is such a sweeter deal with IBOTTA and the store coupon. Go and make it happen, guys. And I would be on the lookout for this today if you are near a Walgreens. Why not? And some other clearance that I found include the Haribo Gold Bear Tropical. So that's like the summer one for $1.39. Sorry, my photo isn't so great. And the Haribo Twin Snakes for $1.39 as well. These are just the it's like a smaller bag of this, but I think if you want to stock up on these, even they would go perfect in a stocking. I'm already thinking about Christmas. Just for fun, in the app, I did type in clearance food, and this is what populated in my area. We have the Glucerna. That's completely out of stock, though. The original price was $21.99. $5.49 probably in store is your best bet. We have these Rice Krispies Home Styles for $3.49 with a big dollar of savings, and another Splenda Shake at 50% off for $4.99. So definitely be on the lookout for some of these goodies. Curbside, the cookies have to be done in store. If you're near a Walgreens today, go and look for them, guys, and ask for a price check. Other cute items I found while I was shopping yesterday include these glitter star. It's like an acne patch or for blemishes. They are so adorable. I don't know the design package of this, but it really has me interested. And then with Halloween right around the corner, look at these adorable Squishmallow. They're lip balms. I mean, this is better than candy in my humble opinion. And look how adorable. I can't wait till this goes 80% off. Back to clearance. On an end cap, such as this one, this is for the fall Christmas line of Febreze Air Care. The summer air care in certain markets has also gone either 75 or 90% off. So if you have, it's either going to be stickered or you'll have to ask for a price check. These double packs of the Aloha Hawaiian, or Hawaiian Aloha, pardon me, 70 cents. Original price point was $6.99. And whatever seems summery, I would ask for a price check or bring it to photo where they're less busy and ask for a price check there if nothing is tagged at your store or the regular clearance aisle. We have this Febreze Bathroom Watermelon, also 70 cents. So any of this air care, if you can run across it or you see it in your store, Don't be shy to ask for a price check. I think Ibotta had a couple rebates for $1.50 back when you bought two of the Air Effect cans. Obviously, scan the barcodes. I'm not sure if it was particular on certain scents or some of these summer ones were attaching to it. You never really know. But a lot of these that were $4 are down to 40 cents. Unfortunately, my area, it was cleared. Very popular purchase. So no luck for me, but maybe you guys will get lucky with some of this clearance. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.